Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and start getting into supply and demand concepts and how I use it in my trading and also the foundations. So supply and demand 101. Supply and demand levels are areas on the chart which act as support and resistance. Now these zones in price, when used with proper context, because again, everything that I'm talking about needs context. I'm just giving you guys the foundation, but we're going to bring context and everything all together towards the end. But this will allow us to have a good area to look for a trade. Now, prior areas of consolidation are typically good as a reference points to supply and demand levels. So here's a quick illustration of it. So here would be considered an area of demand. You'll see that price actually had this consolidation point and then we finally had a breakout out of this range. Now, typically whenever the market comes back to retest an area of demand or a prior area of consolidation, you'll typically have some sort of reaction and you could typically look to take profit at, let's say, some sort of next higher high. Now again, this all comes with, like, we would want to be buying in a situation like this with proper context. You don't want to just be buying any area of demand or supply. So here's a good example on the chart. You see that price had this consolidation. You see these few candles were going back and forth. Then we had a very big strong move. Typically, you want to look for the area inside of here, the area of consolidation. Some people call it the point of origin. I've heard Chris Laurie talk about it as the point of origin. It doesn't really matter. You call it demand, point of origin, whatever you want to call it. It's the same concept. The reality is this area is going to have some sort of price sensitivity. And you're going to see here, let me go back because we kind of skipped forward a little bit. Price came in, you see a little bit of some wicks through it, and then you see a nice push off of this level. So this is just a good way to kind of visualize the concept. Now, inversely, we have areas of supply. Just like the same concept that we did with the supply, with the demand levels, supply is the same thing. You have a consolidation and you have a sharp move lower. Now we know that this area is going to be sensitive if price ever comes back to retest it. So we're going to look for potential sells in these scenarios. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys another illustration. Look how price had a very significant consolidation phase in here, and then you have a significant price drop lower. Now whenever price comes back to retest it, we know this is going to be an area of potential sensitivity. And you guys are going to see here we have a nice reaction of this level. Now again, this is just going to be very crucial because when we start to bring in concepts together, we're going to really have a solid understanding of how we can utilize this to really formulate a very high probability trade.
Ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly grow their wealth through Forex trading while others struggle to break even? It all boils down to strategy, the right kind of strategy. Let's dive deeper into the world of Forex trading strategies, shall we? First off, the Forex market, also known as the foreign exchange market, is a worldwide decentralized financial market for trading currencies. It's the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with an average daily turnover in the trillions. But what are these strategies that successful Forex traders employ? One of the most popular is trend trading. This strategy involves identifying the market's direction, either up or down, and placing trades in that same direction. Sounds simple, right? But effective trend trading requires keen observation, patience, and discipline. Another strategy is the breakout strategy. Here, traders set a predetermined point that once breached triggers either a buy or sell order. This strategy banks on the fact that once a level is breached, the momentum is likely to continue in the same direction. Swing trading is another strategy where traders aim to capture short to medium-term gains in a stock or financial instrument over a period of a few days to several weeks. But remember, no single strategy guarantees success. It's all about finding what works best for you, continuously learning and adapting. Now, here's a thought. What if you could put these strategies to the test and stand a chance to win fantastic prizes? That's right. It's time to flex your trading muscles in the Billionaire Makers Hub Forex Trading Challenge. It's an opportunity to learn, grow, and maybe even discover a strategy that could change your financial trajectory. But it's not just about the prizes. It's about equipping yourself with the tools and knowledge to navigate the Forex market. It's a chance to be part of a community of like-minded individuals all striving towards the same goal, financial freedom. So why wait? The Billionaire Makers Hub Forex Trading Challenge is your ticket to not just learning about Forex trading strategies, but mastering them. Remember, the Forex market waits for no one. The question is, are you ready to take the leap?